fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star.
Just don't even ask me, I can't explain. Why do I have so many? This is ridiculous.
Initiating.
Welcome back to my daily grind, create yourself. That's what it's all about. One day, one step in the right direction. I'm Chris and I'm only here to show you if I can do it, then you can do it as well. It is Wednesday and I'm done with season 2 of Sword Art Online. I watched it all in one go. I'm just so thankful that there is no third season. Just did my workout routine. I'm feeling, pretty good. It's just so weird. Sleep cycle on fleek. And to save this vlog, I thought that I will show you something special. I will show you my ridiculous knife collection and I thought, yo, let's go crazy. I will show you everything except kitchen knives. Let's do this. Let's start with Balisong knives because I only have a few of them. And by the way, this also includes trainer knives. So here we have a few fake Benchmates. Apparently, I will get to them in a separate review because this is weird. There we have a bottle opening Balisong. That's my most expensive one. This is a Böker Plus. And this is my EDC version of it. This is just a tiny version of the Böker Plus. It's in my backpack all the time. And there is this weird Batman knife. There is a vlog about that. It's funny, but it's also kind of small. I got these two from my granddad. Then there we have these funny coin knives, kind of resembling karambits. They have a locking mechanism. They're fun. I guess you're supposed to wear them as a necklace. And then there we have a bunch of key knives. They are fun as well. So this is already covering a good portion of my bed. Next up are these flip out karambits. Got myself 4 of them. There are even more. These are a bit pricier. They also look a bit more interesting. And next up are, of course, loads and loads of these cheaper versions. Let's get them all. Just don't even ask me, I can't explain. Why do I have so many? This is ridiculous. And I also found more toy-ish knives, whatever that is. So here we have the Karambits, blue, silver, black, crimson web, Cybertooth, and fade, I guess. They all have different shapes, it's weird. You know, it's stuff from China, but this one, check this out. This is the most ridiculous edge I've ever seen. Well, the most ridiculous tip, to be specific. This is just ridiculous. I stabbed my finger with this one, I guess, with a crimson web one. This one would have totally screwed me up. Oh my god. This is scary. Yeah, and again, this also includes trainers, so let's get to them. Yeah, so that's that. If you're a regular viewer, you know, of course, that these are my creations. I do sell them on my Etsy shop if you're interested. Karambit trainer knives and flipping daggers. There are even more. Okay, so this is already kind of ridiculous. And again, I said I will show you everything. So let's do this. Modular Swords EZ. That's the white destroyer right there. And that's the black weaponized destroyer from my unboxing videos. There we have a funny machete. Silver Tanto blade or something like that. I don't know. Pretty much the same thing in black. 2 more times. 3 more times. 4 more times. This one has a special paracord wrap. I did it myself and it's not paracord actually, but this one is my favorite. This is actually looking decent, it's unbelievable. Most of them are pretty mangled, as you can see. I use them quite a bit to slash up, you know, little trees and shit. Oh my god, I can cover my freaking bed. Oh my god, I forgot one. The Karambit painted with my blood. Oh my god, and I also have tons of these. I have like 20 of them, I guess. Card knives. Okay, this is kind of messy. Let me clear it up. I will see you in a bit. Alright, there we go. I hope it's apparent. Man, this is crazy. Just look at all them freaking blades and knives and trainers and swords. What? There we go. That's my collection right there. It's kind of ridiculous, I have to say. But I hope it was interesting. That's it for today and I will see you tomorrow.